Abujaneti numbers, second cycle submission no. Where here the first episode, which is episode 5. Name what that about play power and I'm more big shaky waha. Let the reaction begin. You know.
Intro.
Abusia, this episode no. You started with OT and Aegis. And I just said,
Dini ya me OT Genesis.
I say it is a punchline. Oh yeah. You tell them war fight.
Yes way. Just as in tree. OT and Aegis refer.
Oh yeah, my smart.
Free me so. What to Ginny? Me nemo. Me kwano kwa me samo say. Celebrities pi wo ha me menye won. Mahini no menti me ne wo mon share. Yes you guys in your Facebook and
your Facebook no am share. It's one day.
Any ate gon wo. Kwa kujudas ye ne ye fa wo OT. Sika ne brema hwe ya wo betone me. Ora hu me mabo. Ye ko mu na tie me. Ena nyotofo no ho ne be ko heaven. Mami musa opatapa obeko bia na. Akamako a menye ne no me ya dewa ha.
But I'm busy, I'm in a boy.
Yakupo Kraje Osrodwe.
Intiora medical ne fella be ko hwe. Watwero say heavy hard ya wa bia ni ha. Ene mami modi ni mi ka ho abodam koko kubo lord ne nan sisi fem. Me simo say di onyare ni hu hia yaresafo che wona wo yare ye koko be fem. Hey sir.
Koko anya heavy gate mu fine. Koko.
Hey sir. Jemeba ade ye wo nwanwa. Eni mi bo mu shata wale ye me doba. Sakodi ni stone boy bia wo mu di protocol ne beba na nya sa ade a me akasa me ni mo wo mu fi hen.
Hey. Aso de hu. Aso de hu. Stone boy. Ne shata
sakodi dia. Eni ayenyan.
Ashama ni tema ye friend Jerusalem baby ade ye di man na aye friend gobe. Yo, emre ne so na me ne da ko vibe say wi ase a ye be rema ye benti men say emre.
Vibe say ni ba be say. I just said that go to no nyagopo ni no won.
You know, ena man na ni gobe no.
Say be we some punchline. I say, baby I pray say
or did you hear?
Malambowi.
Oh, but when you smart, like when you make creative,
yeah. Go in the line of Mebusem there. Very nice, very nice.
OT and
Genesis. OT and Aegis. Abuja number 2. Dini Atia GH. No kumatia.
No, you wakumatia. Apatesia wakumatia.
Abuja yetero.
Tiane mejene. Won to me frɛ wo bi wale cause me ye urade anke mesata mu wure nko amenya concert. Won to me frɛ wo bi wale. Ko me ye urade anke mesata rain no. Menya concert.
Just say wa fashata wale na we destroy no punchline no kisam. Shatter wale concert rain everything be.
Atia o to me yes I will play this I will get dopo.
Bars.
Kame tu sa akwadi akosoro de meta by left akata me to te se pampers.
Who is Okodi etu?
Yeah.
You went to just Akodi no. Na tamba Africa to say akata to say pampers.
Atia
Second line you.
Aga ma fa we susu no e.
Biyem ebaya me yanteme hia strong man. No wo mia me for medical treatment.
Wow.
Catch the magere have been say me to me kind bas bia me Muslims.
No, but to go.
Now I wait to
Yeah, change bas.
Woni me Yakubu Yemeni ante Francis wodi me kablos me de betie patapa nyom ka me de bekọ kan Alidu and his coach wo Yemeni ana wo Stone Boy fan Goliath busiafo achi wo member ho ma wura bi ma wura pa ne se me ye bra lensa na wo pa kire se me ye beifo ejuma na si baje kudi ne bi fa kudi de wonya kwada menya wo mu kidikidi
punchline
wonya kwada menya wo kidikidi
punchline
kidi akwada
na ze kidi yakura
Boss,
I can't just all yakura. It is a kid grass or a friend. I can't just all yakura. Men who kiddy. Mamma, you one time wine go with music
DJ Black, watch me track and then me cast. Banyo monokura so ni TV.
DJ
black here.
To black.
Why is he going to see the cover?
Payo, wadi payo.
But black no to grow more.
But you the TV.
Megina boase mo watamale demo ye ne me sunsu muntu minchitime ante boy god this video now wo twana landscape but 1 minute.
Rules now you set for this and you know they come on your punchline. Wow.
Landscape 1 minute.
Okay.
Atia.
Abuzia number 3 Dini Okojo Shaft. You deal with
Micah. Yabamu mo pesa Ghana, legalize key. Omo sacrifice my mind pick fame. Yabatu give you the flight lieutenant, Papa J. Bulawe at the play, yeah, stay J. Celebrities or when I'm a toss so mundi abesapo. Gifty anti bella mundi a hofe na shoko.
Omo no mundi abesapo.
What's no, I'm saying, when I'm in that house, we barely support. I be say shaka wale dia, e be popo. They say udifum. What you say?
Omundi abesapo.
Yeah.
Come and remove your mouth.
Bella mundi, mundi ale support. Na mundi fum no. Fum ye nkra de.
Joyce bless yourself for me suma but some brabo and me am brabo ni but be bomb de sako for me tasse down na be mo bomb de magana Randy Abe so the ballet chase could be runner Zap Mali Shatawale last two hammer no the boss back up na body me ya with summer the can for na be ye be me watch me kwame Reggie Rockstone ambulate th for Paris that's a brown fe mata twin Shasha Mali timi nim sam ya me nyum ya that be me we be ka me share body di mata da be fa be shine da na bia be ma me ni boja mata be ye mu ye be time sa to be ma ka cham sa me chiri de mo na mo ye bo ba ku be mo tamu chugu na masin de mo time
I'm very good at some kind of heat.
Most of the time, no rappers be bring no more twist. Go on to West no more.
To West,
like what's it? Clay.
What time media with JJ? Back to the names, big up to the late Kwame Busuansa. Kuma would have Quebetu, Tewa Kojon Cancer, Asante Kotokori, between House of Folk, Bia Banga, Tastel, Asman Body, Katinga, Bayratinga.
Wow, I'm watching say you can see that. Okay.
Okojo Shaft. Wow. Happy Shaft to find a nigga be drop up to a jaw cause I
was just say shaft no car mu shaft no control the main part of it. We shaft to get mechanic move.
What you say?
Maybe rappers be shaft no.
Abuja number 4 Dini ya Pantine.
Yeah.
No, ofa Pantine dey say.
Akwane say me din e job. So the babro.
What do you have Pantine?
Yetiero.
Yo, sawa wo, madame kwia, me brewa pem na polo. Ya frema Pantine 7 days na me froti me kenda aboko. Enye to kwa na so, u video speed na me hu. Kuteni me ne uraba fon seme ya. Body na twintwam so yi hu atirobia.
Você encontrei no Mura, o Afonso é minha. What a nation jump.
So where you want to be at?
You know go affect you today, but in the near future, no respecting about from Sabua Motia. The same they get. Now so we trust them. Maybe a dachi be when you know what damn pem when it's ya. Sagana fuck a cancer. Obi a banyan so imagine a baby the dia time. Me saw me data Facebook. We didn't move me straight to Instagram so they a bobo. When you move there, baby I know what you want. Sorry to say, operate sad uncle.
No boy. No ni papa ko na oto e. Ochina odi atem. Ochina chi o just
we you move for now who move for no brother be a walk. Say where you
but guy advice no power. Advice mu
ya to that's how we drop point. No for na is a parachute.
Oh the bad say. I want to mini wo.
Sorry why?
About advice no power.
Yeah.
Your advice ba. Just say easy.
Madame kia me be so mini mama. We na hits na we are then awenya. Checking out checking no. E go siaga equation chiro mo sa eboni pokrada. Wanna cut me be sa what is happening. Get in me out. Oh tell me something. And so they be hype. Then you are struggling. Mpoko na go kata so change your branding.
That means Spanish to
Can't hear no kata.
It's just super fair.
Wala na go.
Na za we a young boy has a popular interest to na se popular interest wa.
Na one be interesting you.
Nya popular bi when.
Abuja number 5 Dini Venture GH. Your venture no.
Yeah. Who are you? Susu we are here. You Muhammad is here daddy kube. Sister baby akoto feda makatu kube.
venture.
Tia Dani.
Kube.
Sister.
Debbie, I go share fella market.
No, what to na Romania ni ala say.
What's it say?
Tia. Ihu Muhammad Tia Dani Kube. Sister Debbie akoto fella market Kube.
Debbie akoto fella market.
Wakoto ni
Tupe what to dro.
It's
no Romania ni a ultimate igbeni eduro de.
Romania
serious. No, I bet that possible because Kubo let one auntie for the whole of life in that say, well, I'm one trying to dia.
Romania bibi o.
Of one as in come, mini baby. Soon we are see a caba medical. Tonight, a book and tea.
Oh. And the end fault.
Debbie trouble.
And the end
Sister
fault.
Akwana Kanyama too. Sister Debbie na kotu to pay first. Sister one hataba medical.
Osesusu we asi ni onu hu no.
It one on money pa go hataba medical.
Okay, it is a suspect. Because if you know medical house is it's a suspect.
Whatever, the medical be anywhere ko ni hu. Na medical you get ko no.
Me who say sa akwa dey person worry when be shey. Dem so obofo ni say you chi ni game.
Get no one.
Now, I was say when you say be man.
Be Maria.
Munye obi adi say o say atanos still na some man get pay. Sunsun mo for ya.
That's a no so real eh. Omo who still no mo din so she.
Facelifts.
Venture cancer.
Sunsun mo for ya kwansa otowale wa. Obi e factory kase e oni Lord Kenya.
What eh? So pass for venture ton adlewa.
Ni Lord Kenya.
Chataban de lo nu e ya potoyuwa. E mu na Dangote didi e di nyane sika.
Oh, Akwana say o dey say wa go pass me. Chataban. And a young rich nigga. You want baby I say Dangote di.
Ezo.
Ya dadu enu apotoyuwa osusu.
Chatawale sunsun mu na no ye nantwie.
Chale ore yanko.
No.
Monsole meso. Mama yanko. Venture. Nani agaza ubedi akrosa wa me
Hey, baby girl tadane ka shoti die. Me hu se Ghana ye tu se bibie. Obi di madane voucher we tu kwa bro chire. Me hu se we sha don to wa bile. Na na dan kwa kufu adu tirefu.
Hey. And
we moisha de dey possible. But nanado de ne pan dey see the befu.
but if me sure say fusu pe Ghana be yi.
David say 15 minutes for that less dey buy you egu.
What is? Wasi me bu se mu ntumi na ne Yesu. Ebufu 17 na man you turn Lukaku.
Betimiche.
Ebusia 99 Bars program is proudly sponsored by HDMEZ Records. Omo your record label omo Accra Achimota and Ebisan USA. Inti so the musician, we are artists, they be up person who music video and up person recording nyom nankasa. Share numbers where was screen is to me frame bia. And then if you want more info, mo share video where to us.
HDMEZ Records presents its very own state-of-the-art recording studio with a multi-genre international music producer Samuel G. We have high-quality mixing services and high-definition mastering by a Grammy Award-winning engineer in Los Angeles, California. Our services also includes video editing and other video-related services, music promotion, management services in Ghana and the US, and collaboration opportunities with any US artists are also available. We are located around Achimota Kingsview Roundabout. For US and Europe, contact us on +13 177 018937. And in Ghana, contact us on +233 24031 4256 and 026 337 6567.
Abuja number 6, Dini
Eugene Black.
Eugene Black. Yentie no.
As I wake up in the morning, Charlie come home. So I told my nigga you should let the tea flow.
Welcome in the morning come.
Jale, my tea ni flow. What you say? Nice.
Para lado here team mo capito de fatame. Amenyo mo shaka to say green gold.
Father Lord, o here team mu capito de fatame.
Eugene Black.
Okay. We know what I said to some years.
Nice wordplay, pa.
I'm in your motion to say green gold, damn it. Anything I said, I'll do it. I go delay your success if your mic's not bending.
What? There's a strong man or what this on a kind of way there.
I will delay your success
If your mic is not bent.
Benny, wallahi. What is a strong man? Mike, one strong man.
I don't think so.
No, yeah,
maybe on the wordplay.
Yeah. But very nice.
I'll be cooking when I'm on the mic, spreading hot sauce from a hot sauce. My gun kitchen, my flow be tender with the fire these kiddies. I swear thank God, Papa Namichi. I love your love, Papa sister, that be me Jerry.
I love your love, Papa sister, Debbie.
Yeah, my flow be the tender with the badge these kiddies. Kiddie.
Okay, tender. Okay.
Okay. Nah, guy, who's got to get this out?
Yeah.
Eugene Black. There's always told you who's will be told you I said I didn't find a word. You know, say, guy, I didn't know. Okay.
Give me Jerry rap, if I would get in a cemetery. You rapping and they laughing cause you really got a funny face. You only want to try to do the dance and decay. Too deep, I let the God flow manifest. Forget the fame, me, I'm looking for the manifest.
Well, we'll be spitting real gangster shit to say. No, you say yes. Forget the fame. Let the money flow. Exactly.
And I scared to manifest. Manifest.
Then no here. What they say?
Manifest.
High grade, I'm looking out here. To every legend in the game, I'm a super fan. So shouts to the king and Prince Sutter. But they come a lot, we all know, nigga, who the man? Bro, I think I got a rap Gemini. To feel I'm in your lung, yeah, the suicide. Some sick pass, never wow, one never Joe. No medical doctor is good enough, ready now.
Or the thick bad ball, I never Joe.
No medical doctors, good enough.
Wow.
No, Eugene Black. I didn't expect. Abuja number 7. Dini expose GH. You tell me what they might.
What's it? Ghana for paper for something that yet you panka. I said they are what I'm searching the wakata. Sakasugo Virginia about the Ajina Minyaba. Navelama Gafi was a name. What the MDK better wako mama. Uwaba.
That's what I
can't tell us on
you okay, up to now, I can't say 4 or 5
Was it Panama Cafe? Was it there? What the Medicare to Wakum?
I'm so video on the Deborah. Jackson, then a talk pressure. Cause I don't know, so a musician, a stripper. Shout out to my shot. Cesala Livana, to us a tundra. You don't worry me for Insta. One mama follow, I'm a credit in Nasa.
And John. Okay, yes, it was here.
It's what dear here.
And then you find so what we follow to one self.
Because you know your name say.
That's what that's what you are fine. That's what my Sepena Sapo mine. What do I found no any mutant time? What do I want? That's what you are mine.
For mass telling when it be the payday. When we go do the dance plus ADK. Do the dance. We ain't somebody who's so fans.
Seriously, oh, Max Teller, what's that? The rap you do, but the style of flow, no. I can't say if you won't pay because what nice and what that. I don't know why they beat you. What they are exposed the man or
we are the wedding yabo. Kapatapa by the mean cambroni. Obi and the fee pony mirror. And so in the head, Okisiburoni. Me.
Oh, but a party down where now that they used to have say no.
Patapano telling us. Kapatapa bed. Emi cambroni.
A brand new brony
mirror cranny.
No, look, Kisiburoni.
Me, and the few pono, cause pono be brother. In punchlines be mad pass. Osama, of you, I say shut away. I know to say Druba. Get one time pass, so apostle gangster. Expose GH.
Oba, seko fumule nya bad.
What are the mole guy? No, cause
okay, Joe, be obiasu ni ni so
ade. Onya ne ho entan pa. Wan kase na no ho nya fu.
Na ne ho entan pa. Apostle gangster.
Ode na to low.
What do you say?
Apostle, what dey?
Patigano. Abuja number 8. Elino GH. Was here baby ye tie do e.
Akoma edi.
Me catch it all.
Ya santo pa.
Yeah, first of all, me to Mr. Tabram and Chiamadofo. Muamotamechi, Mumuami pushing na menkoso. Near Wajidi Same Fatabia, or man whom I didn't vote in. I can't say any dear, and now Gorona David Donka host you.
Oh, you're good.
I can't say they nyagro na Davido Tawusi. What you say? Punchline.
Ghana celebrities. Mutemi amuntema, so this is Selino preaching. The youngest female rapper, the piano rapper biada. Akwarakatu amekame homa kukudambo kwasa. Enyako medenchia bema mena no brafo. Ghana rapper suffer, okase buba hodo. Utime puso kasa kwa makasa no kwa yesafro. Ghana dupon kese obwa kasa haren koso. Hama stardom, opa imukeye album. Beso diet last 2 days na rapper koso pacho.
Okay, also the last 2 days now rap na nkasa koto pacho.
Say sambra na that.
No, pacho say the way of rap for is west the rap no. I'm not
rapping because hama for to start what they say. Pochi pemukan. Yeah, bomb straight.
Ghana rap, ufiri mwakani ya Kenya kwa lighto. One radio chame kwa mesa kwa diama idol. The chasta sa mubo mokwa. Muti range social media ba mo life on tesa.
Elino.
They don't about you.
On carbon, also a chia rappers or mubo mokwa.
Muti radio offense social media as for life on tesa.
Mama free watch de kanu mukoti ananyesa lebo mudindo kwa makuma mama zimbia koswa ameya yesem kakra ya papi kwa John Cancer uti flash strong man wasu anobera to Ghana Prayo Angelina nakase uti abodom bisake patapasa na area ye ende kom
I said what Jim pump it.
Patapa and the crop.
Easy come to Hako.
Elino.
That's what hey.
You always the charity program be my easier. Come on with there.
Abuzia Elino, the second coming at the Ankasa.
Wow. To come back again to deliver this, that means like
youngest female rapper.
Also young on his side.
Very young. So not a trend rap the party actually so very good. Because most times we be all back. Even if Obi were back cry or like representing
watch Abuja number 9, Dini Pops official.
Listen, give me the mic cause I put something on paper. I'm talking sense that any no fan maker. Mama sack was nigga me the biba. Go to social media and follow Pops official. Give me
where's it the social media you know I point line
I see from Sako there was the biba.
Why didn't you not shame Pops official go follow no?
Give me the chance I wanna talk about some person. In the baby yet to be friend of Samoja. This real when I like how it's living. Cause the name of the brain now I tell my name. 22nd November 1985. That is when he was born to be a real star. He did love football, he did love music, about the football, yeah, we're a striker.
I born a pastor on Becca Samoja.
What go to give me a date of birth in now? He Pops official. And I said, we see this somewhere in flow. No, oh, yeah, you need serious fun here somewhere.
Baby, original, so I say, on yet distracted by Ubia. I'm not for Bobo, born on a rap.
And I'm now, they'll come out some football, no football.
Nice.
I say, I there no my attention.
He was born in Ghana, Accra to be precise. He the kill himself for the game, he the sacrifice. He's the family man, married to Gift John, father of Raphael, Floyd and Freddie John.
Nyankura mienze ya no azie nyom omunye ne maro.
Exactly.
Azie na no kure se court to be kura finance agwaja is so to ya ge ne kafo. What dey we dey be kind of was different day. But so ka se nye ne man nko ade mi tia ne ka.
You know say it's not only a footballer. You know so Oni Baby Jet Plaza is the owner of Paradise Park Water, just to mention few more than 10 businesses in Ghana. Selected.
Was actually as a wage in business ventures. Yeah, which means the
fun no.
Abuja number 10. Dini, I am Tuga boy. Yentie Tuga boy.
I am Tuga boy, FB Kweku Tuga boy. First of all, greetings to my 3 judges. There was a 4 for the 99 buses.
Oh yeah. for the 99 buses, which means they didn't have a course.
Next one day.
Inflammable, me a gas, it's me so much is
Inflammable or your gas.
It's so much. No, you know of years.
I want Shatawale and sponsor Anna.
Rain? Yeah, rain.
I said rain room.
Oh, yeah, rain, go away.
Must have feel the punches. I got to one man hits. He needs medical attention, boy, me sick. Jollof, ne canzo, which you want to pick.
Then Jollof na any canzo.
Jollof ni kanzo.
Yeah.
Say Jollof no. Say sister Debbie na born Naija Jollof. Nti no obvious route mi so na ye kokko. But Jollof no. Na feel like kanzo.
It's a medical.
Oh, but kanzo HM ase. Nti your Jollof kanzo so home.
No kura mom ni e waka no. But ni ono ka no.
Yeah, say ba ko ye Jollof na
ba ko ye kanzo. What you say? Nti ni e soro na ba ye ase.
Okay.
Fella yesterday in arrive and sister Vic only rap moteni biba was your mother. Ose our swag they fit me shatter. Man, you not strong enough to be a banner. Too risky me trap, boy, no.
Man, you not strong enough
to be a banner. Strong man banner.
That is strong man ain't strong. Ain't strong.
There be also all kind about Ghana saying medical still not
strong man I said.
I don't know this medically.
No, this is strong man and
I be you super a strong man and this medical. Or some man you are not strong enough to be a banner. Oh yes, strong medical why are you know?
We here defender is
actually
rap there with him born in hobby. He's never best in rap says his mommy.
Okay. What is medical?
We so I can't imagine you know say the footballer.
He's never best in rap says his mommy boy near one react to Jeroni. Fuck you rapper of the year Kwesi Ata. Days of the week Sunday Kwesi Ada. Me do a Jiwada so she Kweku Ada. Thursday I hear the full Okada. Margaret have their Kubu Waboshi Jono Abba. Big up Wado Medical AMG Father.
The latter part na Shadanchi.
Yeah, no, there's no punches for. But there's no ending. You have to land the ending properly. What I said, that is one of the ways I will be to my impression on for be brave. Abuziane no 99 bars episode 5 na bana wie so person vote to anania com magreb.com/vote and as all Facebook so bet ma search Magreb family so Facebook group no voting poll no bidas wo wa at the end of it all no voting ye be combine from magreb.com and a Facebook no benya more combined votes no on the better winner for episode 5. Massive shout outs to beat makers for this episode. What I say? You will Didi beats, mad beats, and I think other one big men kai by men living it din or screen or so. You don't want to so providing free beats. Say on the book competition or my idea pa. Abuzia voting the band this Saturday by 30th November. This all out of all the freestylists no. You're feeling a pan, Kona Coco vote to mano. Now we are voting the bachelor say or back get into the contest and that's a derby. And Abusia ne yes opin next submission cycle album. It is all artist, freestylist, and as a rapper, and as a person join here. Nanya, this is your opportunity. This one, no, these are the rules. Number 1, Obia underground artist Spain. Obia ne our firm. How ben our firm? The struggle of an underground rapper. Obia with different story. The person is sorry though for this 3rd submission cycle. Now for the year what you are made of. You be providing free beat or magreb.com/beat into number 1. And so rap no. And for one kasa where you rap about myself. Number 2. And so you should provided beats ube humo magreb.com/b. Okwa say beats no ho. Into koko choose out of your one mu baako. Na for your freestyle no. And number 3. Submission we no. I man for 4 days dey so maybe no. Into this one there. Yeah, no 1 week. Internet be end submission and deadline date no. 3rd December 2019 yeah. And na 4th rule. Ucha video na yesro men twa in portrait mode obi ampe. Twa in landscape and na ucha so at least. And you be a bit to studio but o record o there na. My use our sound near cre. Eh. Nebeba no. My use our sound near clear what you say because en na be boy am use at least. You better your work can hear. Obi one sound on your basa. This is disqualify. And then all many things. What you say? You make sure so quality sound. And there is a rules to be confused. Oko magreb.com/rules. me live rules ni nyina wo ho na fe de wa follow rules no systematically say ne buy ya disqualify with video so rap lines they no BBI on pointer rules we be number 1 so rap about yourself as an underground and as pioneer ne opebia wo ho. Number 2 so you should provided beats ye de be ma no betima hu magreb.com/b so person who rules now or magreb.com/rules. 3 deadline submission date for this 3rd submission cycle no bed on the 3rd December. Until this time you have 1 week to do everything and send it to us. So 1 week nipa one we can't use it. And the 4th rule, ucha video na yesro men twa in portrait mode obi ampe. Twa in landscape. And as what the guy your submission their back na say one winning and as you select 2 video craft for reaction. So now you can resubmit in this submission cycle to get another chance to get into the contest. Abusiane no subscribe to your Magreb YouTube channel no. And as open individual submissions and so betima checking on Magreb YouTube 99 bars. Me leave no video where YouTube description I say. Kwana kwa checking it out. Till we meet again, Abusia. Adios.